welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be trying a slime recipe, and basically it's lotion and some flour. Let me get the flour. I find flour, but I found powdered sugar, and it's literally like a pillow. Oh yes. Okay. So I think it should work, but I need to cut it and put it in a bag. So let me find a bag. I found the biggest bag I could, and I could probably just like bend it. Why? Because they're playing bendy. Anyway, I'm just gonna cut the tip because I don't want it to make a huge mess. So I'm gonna grab some scissors. No, never cut your hair unless you have a stylist with you that can fix it. Okay, I'm gonna cut it right here because I don't want so much coming out. I can't eat any because my blood sugar is kind of high, if you couldn't tell like me. I'm just kidding. So I got this spoon from Bahama Bucks, and then I got a bowl, my lotion, and my flour. Totally. But first I'm going to add the flour, powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is the closest thing to flour that I could find in my pantry. There. There. I'll try that. The density is so nice. Okay, and then some lotion. It's kind of like not working. The lotion is not really working. But time to mix it. And it's kind of exploding everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna add some baking soda. Got some baking soda. Now I need to move quickly. I think baking soda is closest to flour actually. Okay, but that much I need to add more lotion. There. I'm home alone with my sister. She's older than me. It's kind of good. Mix. Okay, I need to add way more. Just screw this. I'm gonna get another lotion. Another lotion. It's lavender. So. Stop it. Mama. This is taking forever. I need to like clump it together. It's mostly lotion. I need more. I feel like the baking soda is working better than the powdered sugar. I took a small break from tempting, whatever. What is that? Oh, just the floor. Felt weird. I took a break of trying to make slime to try to find some more recipes, and I actually found this one, and it's sticky. I might add shaving cream to see if that will help it with like fluffiness. But it's like half. Okay. I need to get that out of my sight so I won't lose any. Now, whenever this clumps together and finally becomes something, I'm going to add some color in it. And I'll probably add blue. Or pink, I don't know. Did you say it's because I'm rigged? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Why does it feel like that? The devil does wear Prada. I need to clump that all together. Okay, I'm gonna start kneading it with my hands because I feel like it's getting better. I'm home alone for, oh, they might be coming back. Okay, I need to like hurry on this. Okay, I'm almost done. I need to put it all together. It's actually working. As long as I don't hear the passcode, then I'm good. Because like we have a passcode for the door. And all my family members know it, but if they're not, then they'll just ring the doorbell. But yeah. Okay. Okay, I think it's good. This is a lot of lotion I use. This is all the lotion. Okay, I think it's time to put some paint in it, and I'm going to find some paint. We need to hurry now. It's primary cyan I'm using. Okay, that's enough. Should I knead it with my hands? No, I'm not going to knead it with my hands. Oh, this isn't making mess in the bowl. Okay, dokie. It's kind of working. Come on, make faster. I don't want it in my nails. My sister went up to her room. It's like marble. That's actually so pretty. Okay, see if I could get it off the bowl. Okay. Success. It's just a tiny bit messy. Oh, I need to mix it more. This is taking forever. Oh my gosh, my hands are tired. So, how's y'all's day been? Y'all probably, if y'all are still here, then y'all are OGs because y'all can't even see it that much. I'll try to mix it right here so then y'all can see. But I made a mess. You gonna see what the mess I made? How do I grab my phone? This is what I made, by the way. Yeah. My phone is okay, I guess. need to grab some more paint. This is a pretty blue. Like, I was expecting it to be like as dark as this. I'm glad the white was there because if it wasn't, then it would turn out not this color. And I'm glad it did because it's pretty. And my hands are dirty. There we go. Should I add more? I feel like I need to add more. But then I'll just make it like crumbly. But if I add more lotion, it's going to become more sticky. But I feel like it needs more of this face. I mean, it's already crumbly. Okay. I'm going to put it on this bag here I have, even though I'm not going to use this bag because I need a smaller one. Okay, let's see if I could get the paint off of the wall. I'm gonna pause this right here so then you don't have to watch me do it. Oh my gosh, how do I do it? Hold on. Okay, it got off, but I still have this spoon, so I need to do that. But I do need a new towel, so I'm going to go to the laundry room and get another towel. Okay, I got another towel, but I need to clean this up, so I'm gonna clean it up. Okay, the powdered sugar literally made more mess. Now my phone won't stand up. I try to do it as much as I can. Okay, what am I doing? I need to get a paper towel. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm cleaning it up right now, and I feel like I need a damp, paper towel. No, I don't need a damp paper towel. I just got these. Hold on, give me 1 second. Look at these good bad boys. Good bad boys don't make sense, but like, who cares? I'm in a rush right now because it started at like 1:30. My brother's therapy, and it's 30 minutes away. So they're probably leaving right now because it's 2:26. No, it started at 1. And then it lasted for an hour. Oh, they were gonna be home like in 4 minutes or something. Okay, I really need to rush right now. Okay, that's good. Trashed. Okay, this I need to find a bag for. Okay, I need to. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm getting distracted very easily. So, the light somehow turned off. That's okay. Because I don't care. There. Just click. This guy, bro. You clicked. No, you're not clicked. There we go. That's actually so good in the bag, but there's air in it. Open it a tiny bit, put all the air in it. Then click it. There. I still have a mess. I need to put this powdered sugar up, and I'm gonna, while that, I'm gonna turn the light on. Kind of a mess in the pantry, but that will work. Okay, that'll work. Now I can actually clean this out. And act like nothing ever happened. There. Okay. Trash. I need to put these towel back on the rack here. There we go. Okay, lotion, I'll take up in a second. This trash goes in the trash can that somehow tipped over. There we go. Soap goes to the soap area. This can go right there. Right off the stove. All good. I think I hear the car. That's okay because we're almost done. Now I just need this and this to be cleaned up. Light off. Won't be like I'm in here. Just move all that to the sink because it'll get dissolved anyway. And there we go. Thank you for coming along in my journey of this hassle. Open the closet with my toes. Drop that in. There. Okie dokie, we're all good. And I could put my lotion up here. Because I have like a little shelf right here where my mom just adds random stuff that we need to take up. There, oh my gosh. We did it. No, we don't. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. We needed to clean the bathroom up. Put this back in the shower. My goodness. There we go. Light off. Okay, we're all good. We're gonna act like nothing ever happened. Oh, gosh. And I did that all with a headache. Yeah. But it was a success because I have this now. Thank you for coming along on my journey with my headache, and Jesus will love you always and forever. Goodbye.